Hello guys, my name is Lauren and welcome to my indoor plant station. So this year or every year I have this experiment. So this year my experiment is growing potato slips or potato sprout. So yeah, here it is, and I let the sprouts grow a little bit bigger like this. They are like a small finger or tip of the finger. So yeah, last year I did a experiment about growing potato skin. Here it is. So yeah, this year I want to grow the potato slips or potato sprout. So guys, but before we continue, I would like to tell you that in the middle of or somewhere in this video, I'm going to shout out those who were commented on my last video or my last upload. I'm gonna shout out those friends that were commented in that video. So please watch for your names. So here are the slips. And first I'm gonna remove them all from the mother potato. uh, I'm gonna remove them all like that, and then I'm going to put soil on the tray, and then afterwards we can discard this mother potato after we get all the sprouts, all the beautiful sprouts, because we don't need this mother potato anymore. That's why we should put it in the garbage. So guys, yeah, it's there's still small sprouts here, two small sprouts, but anyways, here are they. I put in every cell, but here is still two small sprouts and I want to save them also. I'm gonna remove this thing and then I'm gonna slice the two small sprouts there. So this is considered as potato skin. So it's a potato skin. There are two sprouts there, or two eyes. They just still so small, so tiny. So yeah, what I'm going to do next is remove all the sprouts here in egg-cells, and then I'm gonna put a small amount of soil. But while putting that amount of soil or the small amount of soil, I'm gonna shout out the name of those friends who were commented on that last video from me. Okay? So guys, here are the people, or here are the friends that were commented to my last video. First, Crossover Cooking Channel. Next is Avid Trip Channel, Michael Sarsuelo, Miko Echo, Blue Lagoon, Mildred in Macau, Etology, and Madam Nora Mariano. I think Madam Nora has no channel. She's also a friend of mine. Akil's Life USA, Baradha Official. He is, I think, from Indonesia. Boss J Tesoy channel. Everything Has a Story. Rosny Vicar. And the last but not the least, Miss Lenny Holdsclaw. So guys, if you're not connected with each other, please connect so that we have a big friendship. So that's all, guys, and let's continue planting the potato slips or potato sprout. So guys, after the shout out, let's please still stay with me and continue planting these potato slips or potato sprouts. So yeah, and I'm going to put a little bit of soil on the bottom of each egg tray cells so that our sprout gonna stand upward or pointed upward. In that way they can grow easily, or they can easily capture the light whenever they out of the soil. So just a small amount, just to keep them stable while we are putting more soil on top of them. So yeah, I make a small hole on each and every one of it. So now I'm gonna put the slips. I don't know if I think this is called sprout because they are not yet long. My understanding is you can call it slips if they are already long. When it's still short, they called sprout. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not English, so yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. What I know is I'm making here an experiment growing the potato slips or potato sprouts. So guys, if you like to check my experiment about potato last year, check my playlist on garden 2020. Yeah, you can find it there, growing potato skin. So yeah, and by the way, if you want to check my channel, the easiest way to see my content is to click the playlist, and then I have several playlists there. I have arts, I have smul, or I sing there, or I sang several songs, and with other singers, or yeah, hobby singers. And I also have cooking with Lauren. I separated my content with those playlists so that whenever you visit my channel, you can easily look which content you like about cooking, about my cooking, or about gardening, or about my arts, my songs, or about a mixed video like unboxing, or walking here around Berlin, or so. So guys, yeah, now I'm putting soil on top of those sprouts, but yeah, as you can see, I am so careful about putting the soil because I don't want them to lay down. Anyway, where if they gonna lay down, they still grow if they grow. But yeah, maybe I'm too I want it like that. So yeah. Maybe you're asking why I have gloves on my right hand and the other one no. The reason being is my hands get easily dry or sore because of the soil. Because the reason why it's get easily dry or sore because I'm not putting any lotion on my skin. Yeah. um I don't know, I feel like so sticky when I put lotion, so that's the reason. But sometimes during summer I don't, I'm too lazy to put gloves, and yeah, I must face the consequences of being uh, have dry or sore fingers. So that's life. So I'm almost finished. What I'm going to do next is water them. So please watch for the update of this. You can find it in the playlist of 2021 gardening. Yeah, you can find it here, there. Whenever you like to look for the update, I'm gonna put part 1, part 2, part 3 until we harvest, whenever they are grow and produce tubers or potatoes. So if you follow this experiment, that will gonna be my motivation to do more updates about the garden and about cooking. So yeah, it's finished, guys. I just close the lid and I'm gonna put it here. Here is a light, and whenever they poke out of the soil, then they gonna receive a small amount of light. With the other plants here, like tomatoes, chilies, and everything. So it will gonna stay there, and watch out for the update, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah. So guys, thank you very much for watching. That's it for today. And for those who like to be shout out for the next video, please comment below and I'm gonna shout out your name. So thank you very much, guys. This is Lauren, and God bless you all.